Controller armrest replacement. Let me introduce you how to replace the armrest of this wheelchair. Because the bracket screws of the controller and the screws that fix the armrests are together. So when we replace the armrests, we need to prepare an Allen wrench. Firstly, take off the controller. Then loosen the screws with an Allen wrench. Same with this screw. Remove the old armrests. Put the screws aside. How to distinguish between the left and right armrests? There is a curvature facing forward. The tube hole is the right armrest of the wheelchair. I will demonstrate the replacement installation of the right armrest. The screws pass through the controller bracket and the handrail tube to fix the handrail. Tighten the armrest screws. Do not need to be completely fixed. Wait for the holes in the back to be aligned. Fix the two screws with an Allen wrench. And then align and fix the both screws. The replacement of the armrest is completed.